Hi guys, I'm just finished my stuff in a hospital, and medical sister shooted the blondest ass in front of me. Like, yeah, she like med sister shot drugs into blondest ass. That blonde also came with some also allergy of something, green allergy, or I don't remember what. So two girls were lying in front of me, and medical sister came into a room and said, "That blonde, come, I will shoot drugs into your ass." and she removed her amazing, green pants, and her panties were white, and she looked sexy. She had some belly fat, but still she looked really amazing. And my blood went to wrong place after that. So that was amazing experience. I feel really amazing. As you see, my eyes look much more normal now, and maybe I will do some pickup if I will see some girls, because now it's almost 10 p.m. But still, I can approach maybe some girls if I will see. It's a little bit cold now. I need some jacket. So pretty much that's it. I'm very happy, and this is like this, when you on the road, when you step, when you do action, something happens. So don't sit at your place. Invest into products, read my book, watch DVDs, and change your life. See you.